What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Greg and
it's Mom, Peach McIntyre. Hey, y'all.
And today we're at Micheals. Is this my first time here?
Yep. Well, you've been here as a little kid. Before, guys, years ago, I used to have my own brand. It was called Denim to Die For, and I used to make jeans and stuff, tie-dye them, and do all kinds of cuts and designs. So you done been in here to get stuff with me, but you don't remember because it wasn't in here like that.
They did having sales. 60% off. $4, well, $3.99. And you love flowers.
I do. These are fake ones.
Oh, they're fake?
Some people that make bouquets for weddings,
that makes sense.
Parties. You know, some people are doing like spring parties, summer parties. You don't have your yellows, that kind of stuff. We need a buggy. Thank you, McKay.
There we go.
Well, we going at first, buddy. That buggy is not like Walmart buggies. They don't got no bottom rail. Take it easy. I don't know. I've never been here. Like, I mean, I have, but it's been years. Yep. You need that? You gonna tell them what we in here for today?
Oh, we're in here for a cricket?
I don't know if it's called a circuit cricket. I don't know. Gregory McKay is starting his own brand, his own clothing brand, and he's gonna start making his own merch and stuff. So we came to get the vinyl.
Right here?
Oh, they look like ribbons and stuff. We could ask somebody who work here.
That's true.
So we could get us some help. Because we don't know what they're doing. They got paint stuff. You know, Gregory McKay is an artist. So he need to be in this store anyways. It's not on this aisle. What you looking for? It's like coloring pencils and stuff like for art, for artwork. Maybe it'll be by the fabrics.
Yeah, that would make sense. This paint.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, so the cricket is across the store, so now we gotta head down that way. And this store is pretty huge, so let's go.
They got the little shirts here that you could get the practice on, okay?
Oh, okay.
Too. But let's go find the little thing first. This a kids craft and hobbies, apparel crafts. So probably right here somewhere. Somewhere right here. Apparel crafts, yarn. I want to start back crocheting, sketchery. We got to get Gregory McKay a new desk too, because he gave his desk, well, he threw his desk out when he decided he was done gaming. So he back this way somewhere.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
Like right.
These little tumblers you could create different stuff
Stanley
on.
Cup number.
You gonna make you a Gregory McKay cup? Peach Patch Gregory McKay. Oh, this ain't my vlog. I need to stop talking. This is yours. Gregory McKay is trying to come up with a name for his brand. He doesn't want to call it Gregory McKay or basically Greg. So this is a mighty iron, steaming iron. You're gonna need something like that. I seen that in them videos, like the heat press on it. They say a petite press. I don't know what that means. I don't know. We gotta go to you looking at videos. Y'all comment down below some stuff he needs. Oh, you want a sewing machine too, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, give me a second. We gotta look at some videos. Give us a second. Circuit, cricket.
A circuit.
Cricket. Gregory says circuit, but the R before the I.
Oh.
So that's why I think it's cricket. I don't know. Cricket.
Cricket.
We don't know. But
Is
anyways.
the last one?
This say this is $1.99. Normal. This is a Cameo. It's a different brand. No, they probably got them in the back. It's on sale. So different brand. Hold on. But you see this little thing that you were saying you needed. How you say you need a the scraper. How you say you needed the Windex thing. The squeegee.
Oh, squeegee.
Yeah, that's what this is. All right, they say this is temporarily out of stock, so they don't got it in stock.
What?
This. We might have to go to Target, but it's like the vinyl, so they're supposed to have more selection. But I know Target has it in stock because I looked online for Target. Let me go ask them some questions. Here's a different one. This is a scissor Juliet cutting machine. Sleek capsule design LED shirt. We gotta look at some videos, McKay.
Yeah.
Let's figure this out. They even got a regular stream press heat print.
Oh, that's the stream pressure, like the regular one.
That's like what Net got. And then is this like vinyl? We don't know what we doing, y'all, but we gonna figure it out. Gregory McKay coming out with his own brand.
So the items I need for my brand is this cutting machine and a heat presser. The cutting machine cuts out like the words and designs you want, while the heat presser makes sure it stays on.
Mm-hmm. You want to go show us the heat presser?
Yeah, let's go.
See?
I think it's the other way, right? Yeah, it was just a picture of it right here.
So this is the heat presser.
Mm-hmm.
This is how it looks.
And that's a big one, like the high volume.
The high volume. It's a 9x12 craft heat presser.
Then you want to show them the smaller ones that Cricut
Oh yeah.
offers.
So here are the smaller ones. You can do mugs and hats. So we have the hat one, the hat presser, and then we have the mug presser, which looks pretty cool. And you can make stuff like this. This is an example of a design you can do. And
How you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm just trying to like learn how to do this, and I can't wait to do designs. Here's an example of the shirt. And this is a smaller heat presser.
You could be making us some little knockoff outfits. Make us some Jordan, Nikes, some Burberry.
So they're taking the Cricut and the heat presser to the front right now. So we have the heat presser and the cutting circuit, or the cutting machine.
All work the same. So these are what you're going to use to actually like pick out your design, right? So it's going to print out, and then you're just going to have to pick out like the blank spaces, or
Okay.
what is not supposed to be there.
So which,
Both. You need both.
But just be mindful that you are gonna, have to change out blades, especially, it depends on what kind of vinyl you're using, mind you. I personally like the Sizer, so I've used this, and then there's an Amazon. But yeah, so there's an Amazon brand that's really, really good too. So just type in like top rated heat transfer vinyl on Amazon, and I've used that as well. I have sweatshirts that obviously have been washed and stuff, and it's still on.
So you could just pick the different colors. How many vinyl, like how much can you make with one vinyl?
Depends how big
your item is? Mm-hmm.
yeah, how big your design is. So that's going to determine. And I would have, so what I would tell you to do, I mean, maybe buy some really basic ones, so like these, you know what I mean, your basic colors, stuff like that. And then really like hone down on your designs, right? Like have those, and then it'll have a measurement like on the Cricut app, like whenever you're doing your designs. And so then you can have a rough estimate. Okay, I'm going to make 50 of these. They're 6 inches. You know what I mean? And then you can go from there. And then you can be like, okay, this is how much I actually need.
And then do you guys sell the replacement blades that you're talking about? Where are they located?
So we have those on the Cricut side.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. And you can also, once again, like if we're ever out, you can order Cricut stuff.
on like Amazon and
Yeah,
stuff?
Amazon or straight from Cricut, anywhere like that.
That's pretty cool.
So that's like, it's super convenient with that. The only other thing I was going to tell you about with any heat transfer vinyl, you're going to press it right, you're all good. Take a little iron and remove the edges. Just trust me on that. Because that's the first thing that's going to like peel off with any kind of vinyl over time as you wash it is the edges. So just have a nice assembly line. Just have someone over the edges.
Any regular iron, or does he need a regular iron?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would say once you're done with all of them, and then just hit it one more time just around.
Okay.
So your stuff will be, longevity of it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Anything else he needs? McKay, go ahead and start picking out some colors, or you feel like you need more time.
Um,
I want this glittery pink for myself for you to make me something.
I I'm gonna grab, the only other thing I think you might need is a mat. Let me go back and look at that Cricut, because one of them does need a mat and the other one doesn't, but let me double check.
Okay, thank you so much. Alrighty.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. How you feeling right now, McKay?
I'm feeling good. I just want like, so you want the glittery pink? I got black, white. This white, right? And then I think I want a different color.
And he's just getting started, so he could always get more stuff later.
Yeah.
I love the glittery colored
You
stuff.
think I should get down?
I think for me, maybe I'll switch out my glittery pink and get this one, because you know I like bright colors, and you can make us like family items with some glitter in them.
That would be cool. So, red is my favorite color. So far, these are all the colors I got. You think this is good for now?
Yeah, that's like $125 worth of vinyl, so
Oh, yeah.
it gets pricey. That's a good start. You can have fun this weekend and learn more. I've seen people having stuff like this. I don't know if that's like measurement boards or something. I'll ask her. I seen that when we just were looking on TikTok. I'm excited for you, son.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
All right, so now I'm finna get this 5-drawer rolling cart right here. It's pretty lightweight, and there's a sale on it. $10 cheaper. Sorry.
You're fine.
This will take up the whole buggy. It's gonna be a lot of stuff.
All right, come on, buddy. Oh, look, they have this stuff in here. We could go to like Target or Walmart and get some solid white stuff. They got the hats. They got the shirts.
All right, so now I found the aisle where they say all the basic color shirts. Here we have red, white, gray, burgundy, pink, black, yellow, blue. And then if you go along the racks, they have some more colors, like some different shades of the other colors. Like we have this olive green, we have this light yellow. So if you just walk around, it just has so many colors to choose from. But I want to go for like the basic colors from now. So I would get like black, white, and I might get like some cool colors like pink or burgundy. That's pretty interesting. My mom just scouted out these fanny packs. I didn't even see them when I was just right here. But they have these cool fanny packs. You have the pink one.
I definitely want this one. I want you to put a big bag.
Oh, that would be cool. White. So here they have all the sizes. My mom just seen this aisle. I didn't even see this aisle earlier, but they have all the colors in every single size you need.
And it's the, how you say it, Gliding brand. You can get you a wholesale account with them and order a bunch. We have a friend that does t-shirts. That's where my husband's car wash used to be. And, you know, she has like a whole account. I was going to ask her to mentor Gregory McKay. I wasn't sure if she was going to say yes or no. Then I just decided, hey, we're going to go to YouTube University, TikTok University, and just figure this thing out. But if we get stuck, I know she'll be more than happy to assist McKay.
So the sale is 2 for $9.99, which is $10. And these are all the shirts they have. But they have hoodies.
Oh, this is a long sleeve.
Oh.
But they got hoodies too. Like, right here, look. You can make a hoodie.
Oh, that's cool.
You want to get a hoodie?
Yeah.
These are only $20. Hoodies typically cost you about $60 when they're done.
Wow.
You should get a hoodie.
Okay. I'll do a hoodie and do
I'm
like
excited. I can't wait to see what
four-
you made.
4 shirts, maybe 3.
I'm excited.
No,
Hey.
I think 4 shirts would be perfect.
Hey, how y'all doing?
So now we're looking for the t-shirt ruler. Is that
It's
it?
the cutter thing she was talking about. You want to get this one?
Yeah.
This
That's,
one's $21.99.
it don't matter which one. So we needed this. This is a T, and it's like the cutter for the vinyl. So this is the cutter for the vinyl right here to make it even.
Dang, this thing heavy.
I don't think we need that.
Oh look, here go one of those little collector things, like I should stand for your little stuff.
Yes, right
That's
there.
one that attached to the desk. We looking for a t-shirt ruler. I wonder if that's something they sell in the store.
Amazon, if it's not in here, it's on Amazon 100%.
Okay.
Amazon
Well,
got
let's see what she
everything.
is. Let's go ahead and start ringing our stuff up.
Okay.
Then we'll see if we're going to get anything else.
So now we're going to the front register.
Yes, girl.
I'll see y'all at the front register. All right, so now we're checking out. We have the heat presser right here. It was in the back. And then we have the cutter, which was also in the bags. And then we got all the accessories we need. Also got this, which is the 5-drawer roller. All right, so the total is $1,037.21. All right, so now we're exiting out of Micheals. I bought a heat presser. Well, my mom bought my heat presser. We got the cutter, and then we got this lightweight drawer. And this is day one that we started my clothing brand.
And you also got your vinyl.
Oh yeah, and then I got a bunch of accessories, like my vinyl, and other stuff like cutting paper, a cutting board. There's a lot of stuff we need so we can make this perfect.